In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Copilot agent to Microsoft Teams and Microsoft 365 using Microsoft Copilot Studio. Before we begin, make sure you have your agent open in Copilot Studio and that you have the right permissions to publish within your tenant. It also helps to have your changes finalized and tested in the preview window so you know exactly what will go live. First, publish the latest content. In Copilot Studio, open your agent and navigate to the publishing area. When you publish, you're locking in the current version of your topics, prompts, and settings so they're the source of truth for end users. Take a moment to review any warnings or errors, write a short version note so you can identify what changed, and confirm the publish. If something doesn't look right, fix it now and republish because only published content is used by channels like Teams and Microsoft 365 Copilot. Next, configure the Teams and Microsoft 365 Copilot channel. Go to the Channels section of your agent and select the Teams and Microsoft 365 Copilot option. Enable the channel, then choose who should have access. You can start with a small pilot group to gather feedback before rolling out broadly. Confirm the environment and any organizational settings your tenant requires, then save. This connection tells Microsoft 365 where your agent lives and who can find and use it, whether in Teams or within the Microsoft 365 Copilot experience. Before you publish to users, consider defining starter prompts. Starter prompts are short examples that guide people on what to ask and how to interact with your agent. Keep them action-oriented and specific, like summarize the latest project updates or draft a status note based on these points. Good starter prompts reduce confusion, improve first-run success, and set the tone for your agent's capabilities. Add a few that reflect the most common tasks you expect, then test them in the preview to make sure the responses are clear. When your content is published, your channel is configured, and your starter prompts are in place, finalize the channel settings and publish. Open Teams, add the agent to a team or chat if needed, and run a quick end-to-end test. If you update anything later, remember to publish the latest content again so those changes flow through to Teams and Microsoft 365 Copilot. That's it. Publish your latest content, configure the Teams and Microsoft 365 Copilot channel, optionally add starter prompts, and you're ready to roll out your agent with confidence.